Sleeping late has quietly become normal. Screens glow, time slips, and midnight passes unnoticed. Most people think this is harmless, just a habit. But what if sleeping late is slowly changing your body in ways you cannot feel yet? Many people believe one thing: as long as I sleep enough hours, I'm fine. But the body doesn't just count hours, it cares about timing. Sleeping from 2 to 10 is not the same as sleeping from 10 to 6. When you sleep matters. Inside your body is a clock that controls sleep, energy, and repair. Light tells this clock when to work and when to rest. Late nights confuse this rhythm, and when the clock is confused, the body loses balance. Before midnight, your body enters deep repair. The brain cleans itself, cells fix damage, hormones reset. Sleeping late shortens this window. Repair becomes incomplete. Damage slowly accumulates. The brain is affected first. Focus drops, memory weakens, thinking feels slower. This isn't laziness, it's biology reacting to poor sleep timing. Late sleep lowers melatonin and raises cortisol. The body stays alert when it should relax. Over time, stress increases, and calm becomes rare. Sleep timing controls metabolism. Late sleep slows energy use and increases fat storage. Hunger signals rise. Weight gain happens quietly. During proper sleep, the heart rests. Late sleep keeps blood pressure high for longer periods. Over years, this silent strain damages the heart. Your immune system depends on sleep. When sleep timing is disturbed, defense becomes weaker. Infections last longer. Recovery slows down. The body fights harder with less strength. Night sleep repairs the skin. When sleep is delayed, repair slows. Dark circles appear, skin loses brightness, aging accelerates. Beauty sleep is not a saying, it is biological truth. Late sleep affects emotional balance. Mood swings become common. Motivation fades. Mental clarity weakens. Over time, the risk of anxiety and depression increases. Sleep timing protects mental health. The good news is, most of this damage is reversible. When sleep timing improves, the body begins to heal. Hormones rebalance, energy returns, clarity improves. The body knows how to recover when given the chance. Sleeping late is not just a habit. It is silent self-harm. Fix your sleep timing, and your body will do the rest. If you care about your health, subscribe to The Body Code and decode your biology.